Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. We got a quick video today. So what I've been doing, I've been going through my email on my website, which you see right on the screen right behind me. You can go there if you want to drop a line. If you have any questions about personal credit, business credit, you can send me a message directly right there. So I've been going through it for the past couple weeks, and I got a list of emails. Again, people asking different questions. Now, the latest one I have on my list is, where can I go get a auto loan today that they're not going to be requesting any kind of pay stubs from your job or employment? If you're unemployed, if you're collecting unemployment, disability, doesn't matter. Wherever you're getting a check from, where can I go in today and they won't request any kind of pay stub documents, right? So I would have to say one of my favorite of all is PenFed. You know, you could join PenFed with a little as $5. All you got to do is open up a savings account. Yes, it is a credit union. It's a great credit union. I would have to say probably one of my favorite in the top 3. The only thing downside when it comes to PenFed, they really don't have a business side, business products, business credit cards, business lines of credit, construction loans on the business side. They don't have that kind of feel. But on the personal side, they offer a lot of great things. And auto loan will have to be one of my favorites. I had 2 auto loans with PenFed in the past, probably about 7 years. Great rates. Now, you could go right on their website today. You could get pre-qualified, and they will show you what you could get approved with and your APR rate, which is really good. And again, just by joining with a little as $5, it should be no excuse, people. Stop being lazy. Let's do the work. So PenFed is probably my number 1 overall. Number 2 is Navy Federal. So now you know the qualifications to join a Navy Federal. If you are a member, and you could go right on the site and you could pre-qualify for any of their auto loans, and they will give you an amount with your APR rate, and they will not require you to show any kind of pay stubs, which is really good. So one of my favorites, as you see right on the screen right here, is Chase, man. Chase is a great bank on the personal and the business. But if you're on the business side and you're looking for some high limit business credit cards, you're looking for some high limit lines of credit, whatever it may be, they got a lot of options that they are willing to help you. Go ahead to your nearest Chase, sit down with your customer service, and they will help you out. But again, if you're looking for that auto loan and you are a member with Chase, you could go ahead and get pre-qualified and go ahead and see what kind of limit they could give you up to. And as well, they're gonna show you your APR rate with no pay stubs required, which is really good. So overall, I would have to say, again, my first one I'll be going with is PenFed, Navy Federal, and Chase if you're looking for an auto loan in 2025. You know, a lot of banks out here, yes, you could go ahead and apply for auto loans, but they will be giving you a hard inquiry, and some of them won't show you your APR rate. So yes, they might approve you for a $50,000 auto loan, $70,000 auto loan, but you don't know what that APR rate. Let's say you do get approved today for $50,000, but the APR rate is 12%, 12.5%, 13%, even up to 18%. You might be hurting yourself, then you're helping yourself. So again, these are the 3 banks I probably will go to today if you're looking for any kind of auto loans that can help you out, man, and go ahead and get their approval. I want to see when. I've been getting a lot of people in my email asking me to do videos on banks that don't require pay stubs to get approved for a auto loan again. So I'm running to PenFed out the gate today if I'm looking for one. If I'm looking for an auto loan on the business side to put in my business name, I will be going to Ally Financial. But again, Ally Financial will be requiring some kind of income statements on the business side. So again, just be aware of what you're doing when you're applying for auto loan, and for those that's applying to get an auto loan under their business name. There's a lot of options. If you want me to show you different banks that you could go to, if you're looking to get your vehicle into your business name as well, I could drop a video for y'all. But I'm here, I wanna see y'all win. I'll be going through my emails every week, and I'm gonna be doing a video, and I'm gonna be answering people questions, because I notice a lot of people got a lot of questions when it comes to personal credit and business credit. You know, I could get behind my screen like I used to and show you step by step when applying for personal credit cards or business credit cards and stuff like that. But I'd rather sit here and I talk to y'all and help you out and answer a lot of your emails that people are sending me. Leave your questions and give me about 24 hours. I will give you an answer back, and I will actually do a video that week on the topic that we'll be talking about, man. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.